Both crypto and meme coins are popping off again, and my FOMO portfolio is reaching all-time highs at the perfect time. Give me just 5 minutes of your time, and in return, I'm going to be giving you the most essential information, tips and tricks, and everything that you need to become a better trader by the end of this video. Over the past 2 weeks, there's been a huge surge of volume, and during this time, I've been running up my FOMO account completely in public. And by the end of this bull run, I plan on making over $1 million on this FOMO account. Seriously though, just get through the whole video in one go. Don't let your TikTok brain take over, and I promise it'll be worth it. The beauty behind FOMO is its AIO offering, all in one. They've got the web app and they've got the lightning fast mobile app. You can make an account with FOMO on your phone or on the web terminal. Easiest way is on the web terminal. Just right click the link, copy it in your browser and paste it and click start trading. Using the link in the description is going to get you these 10% off fees, and it's also going to allow your first Apple Pay transaction to be completely no fees. From here, you can choose Apple ID login or Google. You're going to sign into Privy and continue and accept all the things. And just like that, it's going to refresh for a second and you have a brand new FOMO account ready for you to use. And if you're signing up on your phone and you're prompted to use a referral code, just use code KAVO, K-A-V-O, and that's how you're going to get all these benefits. Once you sign up, you're going to want to click on the leaderboard. And as you guys can see, I am top 500 in the world on FOMO in the past 24 hours. And everything I'm about to share with you is exactly how I'm being profitable. From here, there's two places you're going to get alpha. You want to build a following list and you want to build information flow. The first thing you're going to want to do when you click the leaderboard is click split right down here at the bottom, click leaderboard and click clans for the left side, and then click token leaderboard for the right side. Here, you're going to see all of the top clans in the world, which is a group of people who trade together and are in the same clan. And on the right side, you're going to see all of the individual traders who are in the top of the world as well. Copy trading is not the name of the game, but rather it is information flow and building your lists. What I recommend is actually sit down, look at all of these clans and look at all these traders. Just jot down the traders that you see are consistently making profits. For example, let's click on this number 5 trader in the world. His name is Brez. He's profitable $100,000 in the last 24 hours, $600,000 in the last 7 days. So this guy clearly sizes big plays because he's holding $500,000 plus in tokens, and his average hold time is roughly 1 day and 15 hours. So this is a good sign that he's not just dumping tokens on his followers. But the most important factor for traders you want to add before you click follow is you want to go through their recent trades. For example, you can see all their buys and sells here, but the most important thing you want to see is their closed trades. You want to see if they're profitable, they're actually making profits and securing profits. This is definitely a guy I'd follow, not to copy trade, but somebody to take confluence from and see what kind of trades I should be taking and entering. And from there, I would even go take it a step further and click on his following list. He's following 16 people. And if you're a trader who's not profitable yet or on your journey to getting profitable, you can learn from all of these traders all within the FOMO tab. And then the next step is the clans, and just go through everyone and just build out a list of people you want to follow. Once you guys are signed up, I want you just to click on your phone, click in this middle tab with the FOMO eyes, and just click this global feed. Just take a look at this feed, scroll through it, and just see what people are buying. This is a global feed of every single trade and transaction that people are taking, buys, sells, everything in between. You can even click this drop down arrow and go through some of the filters. This is one of the best ways to find runners, because if the same token pops up multiple times on the global feed, it's definitely a sign that it's getting a lot of volume and that a lot of people are buying it. Now, the way FOMO works to buy coins is that FOMO is an aggregator and you're holding cash in your account, USDC token, stable coin. So when I buy a coin, I'm buying it in USDC. Let's click on this coin here. And the beauty in this is that you can buy a coin on any single crypto blockchain because FOMO has access to most of the big ones. Here's a list of all the networks they've got on your phone. You just click this all chains button to see everything. And as far as I'm concerned, it's one of the fastest in the game, so definitely worthwhile. Now from here, once you've got money in your account and once you've got accounts you're following, you're going to see accounts and thesis pop up on the chart. The cool thing about FOMO is it's a completely social trading app. So everything is social between the buys, the sells, and the thesis. And I taught you guys about the feed option. So once you see a coin that's popping off multiple times throughout the day, for example, the Sparky coin, I want you to click on the coin, start reading the thesis on the graph. You can only do this on the web browser for now. Once you're on this page on the web browser, I just want you to go through the traders that bought these coins early, the coins that go from 0 to 1, 2 million market cap. Hover over their names and just read the thesis. This is also one of the best ways to find traders, because once you're here, you can click. This guy wrote 3 thesis plays before it took off, so he definitely knows what he's talking about. I can click on his name, click on his profile, and I can follow him. He's very low key actually. He's only got 45 followers. And the beauty in social trading on FOMO is that a guy with 45 followers like this, we can click his closed trades here and see he made $5,000 on that coin that I was just hovering, and only 45 people follow him. See the gaps between his first buy and his last sell was only 30 minutes. So $5,000 profit in roughly 30 minutes. And this is definitely a FOMO account that I would follow or study, see if he continues the streak of knowing what he's doing early before others. And on that same note, I want you guys to just look at the holders for these coins as well and just study their average entries here, and just use this as another resource to find more accounts and study people that buy coins early. From the day you sign up to FOMO, the ball is completely in your court. You've got access to social accounts, you've got access to funds, you've got access to every single chain in crypto, and FOMO is just a very simple app to use in general. I'm top 500 traders in the world in the last 24 hours out of roughly 1 million plus users. And everything I've shared with you guys so far in this video is exactly how I've been running up my account for the past few weeks. If you're on web, use the link down below. If you're starting on your phone, use Cavo once you download the app. Follow my account. I look forward to writing more thesis for you guys, and I look forward to making more FOMO tutorials like this. Best of luck with all your trades. I'll see you guys on the FOMO app, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.